Here at the Institute for Railway Research, we do most of our research for the rail industry, both in the UK, Europe and internationally. A number of areas that we cover, ranging from pantograph dynamics through to vehicle dynamics, through to the detailed wheel rail contacts that you can see on the test rigs. The Institute is developing, looking for new areas. Recently we initiated a smart rolling stock maintenance research facility. That's looking at areas such as robotics, use of automation in rolling stock maintenance, which is a new area for the Institute. One of the big areas in the rail industry now is how we can make better use of data and use that data to provide useful information to the industry, and linking in with the computer science department in their data analytics has really helped with that, and that will hopefully grow in the future. Obviously we'll continue in our core areas of research and developing those as well to generate more impact.